Hello again everyone, Cooking with Moni here. Today let us cook mixed beans soup. The ingredients are mixed beans and dried shiitake mushrooms, 1 carrot and 1 ripe tomato. Half bowl of mixed beans is enough, and then 4 pieces of shiitake mushrooms, 1 piece of carrot big size, and then 1 ripe tomato big size. We need to wash the beans, the shiitake mushrooms, the carrot and tomato. We need to soak the mixed beans. I usually soak the beans for 6 to 8 hours, and then I'm not going to use the water. This is a very important method. I will share with you why we need to do this, of course in another separate video. I soak shiitake mushrooms with warm water to get them tender. I need 1 hour to get them tender, and I pressed out the water and cut them into cubes. Because I'm using a thick shiitake mushroom, so I need longer time to soak them. But if you use the thin ones, it is easier to soak them. I think just use the cold water is enough for about 30 minutes. I'm preparing to stir fry the mushrooms. After the pan is warm enough, then we can put in some cooking oil. We wait for about 1 to 2 minutes to get the oil warm. It is essential to stir fry the mushrooms because I want to have a tasteful and fragrant soup. Because I'm a vegetarian, so I'm not consuming meat, so I use mushrooms to replace the meat. Keep saute or stir fry until they get turned brown or golden brown, so it needs usually a couple of minutes. Turn off the stove and add in some soy sauce. A little smoky in this part doesn't matter, but it is very tasteful. You know, when shiitake mushrooms touching the hot pan with some oil and soy sauce in it, you know, the fragrance is wonderful. I bet guys, I bet you, it must be very tasteful and fragrant soup. I usually will drain some of the oil, so I will not use the oil for the soup, because I want my soup turn out non-oily soup. I don't like oily soup, and I think it is not good for health too. You see guys, my yummy dried shiitake mushrooms. We need 1 liter of water and bring it to boil. I have drained my beans. Oh yes, we need to cut the tomato into 4 pieces. Water is boiling. We can put in the beans. I boiled the beans for about 10 minutes, and then while waiting I can cut my carrot. I go for triangle cutting, but it is up to you. It's time to put in the tomato. So we can keep boiling it for about 5 minutes. and the carrot need about 10 minutes to get soft. So normally it takes about 30 minutes for the cooking process for this soup. We can put in the carrot now. After it is boiling, we can also put in the shiitake mushrooms. So we still need about 10 minutes to get it boiled. I'm setting the timer for 10 minutes because I'm going to reply some messages. Coming! So now we can put in some salt. 1 spoon of soy sauce. I use soy sauce for seasoning. It's done. Yeah, my vegan mixed beans soup is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my next more amazing vegetarian cooking. See you!